Having trouble getting your Xfinity app to recognize your new modem? This often happens after installing a new modem or gateway, like the Xfi gateway. The problem lies in the app's inability to sync with Xfinity's network provisioning database. This database links your modem's unique ID, like its MAC address, to your account. When the app can't verify this connection, you'll see errors like device not found. We'll show you how to resolve this. Reprovisioning is essentially resetting your modem's connection to the Xfinity network. To start, power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This allows the modem to clear its current settings and prepare for a new connection. Once the modem is back online, the lights should indicate it's connected. Proceed to the next step using the Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Device Health section. This is often found under the Account or Internet tab. Look for an option like Reprovision Device or Troubleshoot. The app will then send a signal to Comcast servers to re-authenticate your modem. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. This will re-establish the link between your modem and your Xfinity account. In addition to reprovisioning, refreshing your Xfinity account within the app is crucial. This clears any cached data and forces the app to resync with your account details. To do this, go to the app's Settings, then Account, and finally select Refresh Account. This step ensures the app has the latest information, including the newly provisioned modem. Before you begin, make sure your modem is properly connected to the correct coaxial cable and your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for the app to communicate with Xfinity servers. Update your Xfinity app to the latest version, with 7.0 or higher recommended for best modem recognition. Verify your account using two-factor authentication if prompted, as this ensures secure access for modem recognition. These prerequisites are crucial for the app to successfully recognize your modem and complete the troubleshooting process. One common issue is IP conflicts. This happens when multiple devices on your network try to use the same IP address, causing connectivity problems. Make sure your modem's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause recognition issues and security vulnerabilities. Account syncing delays can also occur after a modem swap, so be patient. It may take several minutes for the app to recognize the new device. If you're using a third-party modem, it might require a full factory reset before syncing with the Xfinity app. Be aware that older or incompatible modems may still pose issues even after attempting these fixes. Consider upgrading if problems persist. Xfinity is increasingly using AI to help with troubleshooting. The app now includes features similar to ChatGPT for guided fixes, leading to a 25% increase in user self-resolution rates. In the future, Xfinity plans to automate reprovisioning via IoT protocols, potentially eliminating the need for manual steps by 2027. This will integrate with 5G and reduce modem recognition issues. Keep an eye on app updates, as they often include improvements to modem recognition and overall troubleshooting effectiveness. If reprovisioning and refreshing your account don't resolve the issue, and the Xfinity app still can't recognize your modem, it's time to contact Xfinity support for professional assistance. You have two main options to get help. First, use the Xfinity app to schedule a callback from support. Second, visit the Xfinity Help Center online for additional resources and troubleshooting guides. According to experts, reprovisioning is a reliable fix when done correctly, but sometimes you need professional assistance to fully resolve modem recognition problems. Xfinity support can help resolve persistent issues and get your modem properly recognized in the app.